Now let me know if you can relate with this. You play guitar in church and each time it's time for worship, like it's like your brain freezes, like everything in your head just disappears. You don't know what scale to play, you don't know what chords to play. It's like everything that you've learned is now out of your head. And even if you try to apply anything, it sounds very boring and you feel like something is missing. Now if this sounds like you, then you need to hear this thing I'm about to tell you. Because I used to struggle with it a lot in the past. Like each time I would play guitar in church, when it's time for worship, all the skills I knew, all the chords I was playing, it did not just make sense at all. I thought it was just about playing the big stuff, the very complex stuff and all those things. I didn't know that there was something more that I needed to learn. And in this video, I'm going to show it to you. And I bet you that by the end of this video, if you stay to learn this thing, you are going to stop struggling with playing worship guitar. This thing is going to help you to improve. So make sure you stay to the end to understand this particular thing I'm about to show you. All right, let me show you. So before we start the lesson, go into the comment section and then write what your major problem is with understanding worship guitar or playing worship guitar. What is that common challenge that you face or you've been facing over the years with playing worship guitar? Let's hear it in the comment section. Let's dive right into the video. So now this is the first thing I want us to do. Before we start this lesson, I want you to just forget about every other thing that you have learned. Like if you have been struggling, right, it's possible that you've had a lot of information overload in your head. Let's forget about all those things. Let's clear. Just imagine you don't know anything at all. Then let's start building up from scratch. I'm going to show you two basic strategies to use that will help you to know and understand how the approach to worship guitar is supposed to be. Right now, these two things are very, very important, and most guitarists usually miss out on this. So I want you to learn this thing. So don't miss any step. If you miss any step, you're not going to get the best of this thing. Now, let me start with the first approach. Now, the first thing we are going to do when we want to play worship guitar, number one, is to understand the basics of what we are doing. Now, the first question is to ask yourself is, what is the fundamental, the basics of everything, right? Your music lies on something. There's a foundation that your music lies on. It is called a chord progression or a chord pattern. So the first thing we should understand is the chord progression. All right. So let's say we have a particular chord progression playing. So let's say something like this is playing in the background. Right now, this is the particular chord progression. It's like a series of chords. If you want to learn this thing, better stay, because this is where a lot of people miss out on this. The next points I'm going to share with you are going to help you understand this thing better. All right. Now, after we learn the chord progression, now these are the two steps that we're going to use. Number one is, it sounds funny, but just stay with me and see how it's going to help you. The first thing that we're going to use is called the power chords. Yes, you heard me right, power chords. But we're not going to use it the way you know how it is used. We're not going to use it, right? I'm going to use a particular approach to explain how you can use power chords to play worship. Now, this is it. Wait, your power chords, right, is something like this. We're in the key of C. So instead of playing my F major like this, let's play the F power chord. So it goes like this. It's like playing one, right? Something like this. One finger is here, then one finger is here, then one finger is here. This is it. So these chords are actually movable, right? But now this is what I want us to do. Instead of playing the chords like this, I want us to split these chords into different notes. Did you hear what I said? I want us to split these chords into different notes. So instead of playing down, down, right, we can split this into different notes. We can say down, down. Did you hear that? Let me go again. Right? Wow, this already is a game changer. But that's not all. The next one I'm going to show you is going to blow your mind. Now, instead of doing 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, let's use patterns now to do this now, right? So let's call this 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Instead of doing 1 2 3 1 2 3, let's do 1 3 2 1 3 2 and 1 3 2. It sounds like this: 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 2. You are glorious, so glorious in your ways. Right? Does that make sense? Now you can even change the order. Instead of 1 2 3 and order, you can do 3 2 1. Did you hear that? Sounds very, very interesting. Guys, the next set of things I'm going to show you are going to be the game changer for you. So make sure you stay. Now, let me take it to another level. This was just beginner level. This was just the basic level. Now that we know that our chord is instead of playing 3 notes, how about we play just 2, right? So let's play only 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Let's double it now. Let's play 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Did you hear that? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sounds beautiful, right? Now, the second approach I'm going to show you is going to take this to even another level, guys. I believe you understood that particular approach. I believe you didn't know that this thing is as simple as this, right? Now, this other pattern I'm going to show you is one that most worship guitarists use. Is what pro guitarists use. And I feel like I'm exposing a very big secret right now. Honestly, I feel like I'm exposing a lot. So you better thank me in the comment section. Alright, now the second approach is for you to understand how to play the bar chords. You heard me right? But don't think we're going to apply the bar chords normally. No, it's another approach we're going to use. So don't miss out of it. A lot of guitarists think they know what to do and they are usually stuck. But I want you to learn this thing. So stay with me. Now, all you have to do is your bar chord, right? Your F bar chord. The same way your bar chord is made up of 3 notes. But now our bar chord is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? All we are going to do is to play it in that order. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you hear that? That's the first part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's take it to another level. How about we forget about our 1, then we play 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Right? Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my god, I feel like I'm exposing a lot. Guys. Now, let's even take it to another level, right? So instead of doing 2, 3, 4, you can do 2, 4, 3. You can do 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Right? 2, 4, 3. Alright, so we do 2, 4, 3. Right? 2, 4, 3. Did you hear that? 2, 4, 3. 2, 4, 3. Oh my god. I hope you got that right. Now let's even take it to another level again. So instead of doing 2, 4, 3, how about we do just let's do 3, 4. 3, 4. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Right? So I'm doing. Did you hear that? Sorry, I'm not picking this. I'm just doing 3, 4. 3, 4. So for each chord, remember let me go over it again. I said my bar chord, right? I labeled this as 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't go anywhere. Make sure you stay to the end so that you understand what I'm saying, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you hear what I did? So this is what I did. I now took off the 1 now. Instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 4, I took out this 1. So I'm doing 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right? Aha. Then we went ahead to do 3, 4. 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4, 3, 4. Right? So instead of that, here's another thing we can do. We can also do 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. 2, 4. Now the 2, what I mean by 2, 4 are the notes I'm playing, right? 1, 2. Yeah. So you can do. Did you hear that? Oh. So next time the chord is playing in the background, instead of you to follow the whole chords that are playing, you can just break down the notes. Did you hear that? Now let me apply it so that you see how to play it fully. I guess you heard what I just played. I guess you saw how I applied each of these things. Now, this is how to get started. Just learn the basic stuff. Don't fool your head with a lot of information. One of the reasons why people get stuck is as a result of information overload. And I believe that once we've started from here, I believe I've been able to explain a little concept. Don't worry, I have more videos coming up. Like I said, I have a worship guitar series I'm working on. In fact, this video is part of that series. There are other episodes coming up. So ensure you stay and stick to watching those videos because it's going to help you to become a worship guitar player in church. And if you enjoyed this video, please ensure you subscribe. If you haven't, make sure you share this video to your friends and drop comments on how you can play worship. Drop your ideas, drop your tips, any other approach that you have that I did not talk about that you think would make sense for us to talk about, or you feel like I could use next time, an alternative method. Let me know in the comment section. So see you in the next episode.